Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature some more hair transformations. So if you are looking for inspiring hairstyle ideas, you've definitely come to the right place. Now, if you do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, do me a favor, give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Now, without further ado, let's get into today's hair transformations. So today we're going to be checking out some pretty fall and winter haircut ideas. This first transformation features a bob makeover. So she did go darker here as well. Oh, beautiful chocolate old money style bob. I love how much volume she has. Absolutely gorgeous makeover. So moving on to look number 2. She's also cutting the hair here. Another beautiful old money style bob. Oh, the stylist did a pixie for this one. Oh, I love this. Gorgeous asymmetrical shape. And then we move on to look number 4. So she has some grown out color here. The stylist chops off the hair. Oh, she went blonde. Wow. Very unexpected blonde bob makeover. Very cute. French girl bob makeover for the next one. Ends just around the jawline. And we have a bit of a pixie makeover here. Oh, this is so cute. She's got full bangs going there in the front. Lots of texture in this pixie cut. So here we have someone. Now she already has a bit, I was gonna say a bob, but it looks like she had some hair that was tied up. That was a bit longer, but she's definitely getting a bob makeover here. Gorgeous texture bob. She has her natural curl. Very nice. Now this is also a French girl style bob as well. Ooh, another cute bob haircut. cascading back. Features a nice angle. And then we have another blunt bob makeover. And just above the shoulders with the center parts. And then we have a nice pixie bob style two-toned color here. Very cute. So if you guys haven't done so already, please be sure to like today's video. Let us know which transformation is your favorite. Here we have another beautiful bob. She's got the money piece highlights going there in the front. And that trend just adds a little bit of spiciness to the hair. I love how she has like the pop of color going. So cute and fun. So it looks like we have a cut refresh here. Ooh, very cute pixie bob style. I love the texture here. Beautiful waves. Very nice. Such a cute, fun style. Alright, you guys. I hope you have enjoyed checking out all these hairstyles that were featured in today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.